looks black.
It's like brown in the front, black in the back.
Yeah.
Just the baby hairs on the front looks brownish. I think probably because of the dye. I'm repairing these locks today. We are going back naturally, dark natural brown or black, whatever comes out, right?
Leaving it all in your hands.
Okay. And we are reattaching her natural locks because she had cut them, as you can see, freshly cut.
This particular video is of me doing some repairs, hair transplant, hair transformation, hair relocating, hair reattachment, and giving this client the look that she actually wants without having to wait for it. These were her natural dreadlocks. She had dyed them red. She had some breakage from, you know, coloring it, bleaching her natural locks. So what I'm going to do today is repair them, make them longer, reattach them, give her a makeover look with her own locks. Stay tuned. Right now what we're doing is, after we washed it, colored it back naturally black, now I'm going to start doing my repairs, which is my assistant, which is my daughter Soraya, reparts the sectioning in the scalp area, clean that area up, and then we palm roll, and then we reconstruct every single dreadlock by reinforcing the roots as well as throughout the dreadlock that needs repairs before I extend them by reattaching her own dreadlocks. See? Stay tuned. This is what we're doing. And right now I am doing surgery. When I take out that needle and thread and I start reconstructing her dreads, extending them, reattaching her own natural dreadlocks to extend her own length, I am doing surgery. And I call these hair transformations hair transplants. I'm taking hair from somewhere else and I'm relocating it to where you need it the most, or where you want it, or how you want it, and make it happen. Hey, we finally made it to the end. This is about 6 hours of labor with 2 of us working on her hair at once. And right now, these are the results. You see it coming along. You see it, you see it. Wait till that final look. Now, funny story is, initially this client had emailed me 2 years prior to being in my chair today. And I guess at first when I was giving out free consultations, I did give her an outline of what can be done. I gave her options, and it took her 2 years to finally make it to my chair. But when she was ready, she was ready. And she was ready for that transformation. She was ready to make things, for me to make things happen, and for me to make do with the promises I said that I will be able to do. So, you know, although sometimes you don't know exactly what I can do, this is what the consultation comes in handy for. I consult, and it doesn't matter how long it takes for you to come, but as long as you find out what options you actually have.